Hey friends, if start menu transparency is not working on your computer, then please watch this video. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then you can go to power and battery. Expand the list for screen and sleep, and then the power mode, and make sure that the battery saver one is not selected. Rather, just select it at balance, that will be the best one. After that, search for transparency effects in the search bar and then make sure that the switch associated with it is on. The next solution will be to update your graphics card driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update it. Then right click on the second one and update it as well. The next solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Lastly, troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then finally restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.